Welcome to Wonder Garden. What plants are you growing in your garden? Anthuriums, lilies, or beautiful orchids. No matter the plant, to keep them lush, glossy, and blooming vibrantly, I always prioritize organic fertilizers, safe and effective for long-term care. Today I'll share a very special organic fertilizer that anyone can make at home using simple, readily available kitchen ingredients. Watch the entire video to discover this recipe and see how it has transformed the flower pots in my garden. I'll use 1 lemon as the main ingredient for today's fertilizer. Lemon peel contains a high amount of vitamin C, which gives it excellent antibacterial properties. When used correctly, lemon peel helps protect plants from pests, mold, and harmful bacteria while boosting their resilience, making them healthier, especially during recovery, after blooming or repotting. This is a simple yet highly beneficial ingredient for natural plant care. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Chop it finely. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. And place it all in a glass cup. Next, I'll use 5 tablespoons of rice. Rice contains essential nutrients like B vitamins, starch, proteins, and natural minerals. These provide excellent energy to help plants grow healthily. Add 500 milliliters of warm water. When rice is soaked in water, nutrients like vitamin B1 are released, creating a natural liquid fertilizer that stimulates root growth, promotes new shoots, and enhances the plant's photosynthesis. Combining lemon peel and rice creates a perfect organic fertilizer that protects plants from harm while nourishing them from root to tip. Cover and let it steep for 3 hours. After 3 hours, I'll filter out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to provide energy for the plants, helping them grow sturdier and healthier. Dilute it to make 3 liters of liquid fertilizer. This will be the liquid fertilizer to use for plant care today. Method 1. Leaf wiping. Use cotton pads soaked in the solution to gently wipe the leaves of indoor plants. First, I'll wipe the leaves of this Phalaenopsis orchid. Orchid leaves are thick and glossy, so they easily collect dust when kept indoors. Over time, dust buildup reduces photosynthesis and slows growth. I'll use a cotton pad soaked in the prepared solution to gently wipe each leaf, both top and bottom. The rice and lemon peel solution not only cleans dust, but also provides a natural protective layer, preventing fungal diseases and boosting plant resilience. This meticulous care helps the Phalaenopsis orchid stay healthier, producing new leaves, roots, and even preparing for the next blooming cycle. Next, I'll wipe the leaves of this anthurium. The solution's natural antibacterial properties from lemon peel, combined with rice nutrients, keep leaves clean and glossier. Regular wiping with this solution helps anthurium leaves maintain a lush green, healthy appearance and reduces pest and disease issues. With just a few minutes of gentle care, you'll notice a clear difference in the leaves. The plant not only looks cleaner, but also becomes fresher and more vibrant. This lemon peel and rice extract solution isn't just for orchids. It can care for most of your indoor plants. The mixture is safe, nutrient-rich, and has natural antibacterial properties thanks to the vitamin C in lemon peel. Combined with rice nutrients, it cleans leaves, mildly fights fungi, and provides energy for photosynthesis. You can use the solution to wipe leaves of plants like lilies, pothos, snake plants, dendrobium orchids, or recovering plants. The plants absorb nutrients through the leaves, keeping them glossy, healthy, and green longer. Caring for plants with natural ingredients is not only effective, but also safe for your health and indoor environment. Try applying this every 2 weeks, and you'll see your small indoor garden grow greener and more vibrant. Method 2. Foliar fertilizer. This solution can also be used as a foliar fertilizer. I'll pour the prepared solution into a spray bottle and gently mist it over the entire foliage, including both the top and bottom of the leaves. This allows the plant to quickly and effectively absorb nutrients through the leaf epidermis. Foliar fertilizer from lemon peel and rice not only provides essential micronutrients, but also strengthens plant resilience, preventing fungal and bacterial growth. Vitamin C from lemon peel, combined with rice nutrients, helps plants recover quickly, promoting new root growth and healthy leaf shoots. Additionally, misting cleans dust, enhances photosynthesis, and keeps foliage glossy and vibrant. You'll see a clear difference after just a few weeks of care. I usually apply this method in the early morning or cool afternoon, avoiding harsh sunlight to prevent leaf burn. Repeat every 10 to 15 days for the best results. This is a wonderful way to care for plants, using simple, safe, and natural ingredients at home. Method 3. Base watering. I'll use the remaining solution to water the plants in the garden. After using it for leaf wiping and misting, I'll repurpose the leftover solution to water directly at the base of the garden plants. This is a crucial step to provide nutrients through the roots, the primary site for absorbing nourishment to support the stem, leaves, and flowers. The lemon peel and rice extract solution is rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, and natural minerals that support root system development, promote cell division, and enhance water and nutrient absorption from the soil. Lemon peel's antibacterial properties also clean the soil environment and reduce fungal diseases around the roots. I water a moderate amount around the base, avoiding overwatering to prevent waterlogging, especially for potted plants. For garden plants like anthuriums, orchids, lilies, or other ornamentals, you can repeat this watering every 10 to 15 days to keep them lush and healthy. By fully utilizing this natural solution, we help plants grow sustainably, minimize waste, and maximize simple kitchen ingredients to care for the garden effectively and safely. If you're not using the lemon juice, dilute it at a 1:10 ratio. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. This creates a highly effective disinfectant you might not have considered. Thanks to its high natural citric acid content and strong antibacterial properties, diluted lemon juice retains its ability to kill bacteria, fungi, and pathogens on your gardening tools. Using this solution to disinfect pruning shears, knives, watering cans, or any plant care tools prevents disease transmission between plants and ensures a truly clean and safe care environment. I usually soak tools in the solution for a few minutes, or use a clean cloth soaked in the solution to thoroughly wipe their surfaces before and after use. This small step may seem simple, but has a significant impact on protecting plants from the common issues like root rot, leaf fungi, or harmful bacteria. Remember, plant care isn't just about watering or fertilizing. It's also about protecting plants with cleanliness and attention to the smallest details. Lemon juice, something you might discard, becomes a valuable ally in your garden. Results. After 2 months of using the lemon peel and rice water method, after 2 months of consistently using the lemon peel and rice water solution in my garden, I'm truly amazed by the changes this simple method has brought. My indoor orchids have glossier, thicker leaves with a fresher green color. They're growing steadily, healthy, without burnt tips or yellowing. The root system is also developing strongly, with many new roots emerging and anchoring firmly to the medium. The anthuriums are blooming continuously with large, vibrant flowers. The leaves are glossy and clean, thanks to regular wiping with the solution, enhancing photosynthesis. The plants are not only healthy, but also become more beautiful every day. Even the lilies, a rather sensitive species, have responded very positively. Leaves no longer have yellow spots, the plants are sturdy, and they're producing more new shoots. This method is not only simple and cost-effective, but also highly effective if applied every 2 weeks. Try it in your small garden, and I'm confident you'll experience surprising results like I have. My channel has many other organic methods with different dubbed voices to help you better understand the video content. You can explore and choose a method using ingredients you have at home. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to not miss any plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.